sure.
Yeah.
They're pretty good. A while. So.
Oh yeah.
No, I don't say good. Maybe a little bigger.
Yeah. You're not fucking boxes?
What?
You're not fucking boxes?
I was scared of it. You told me about it, do it, and then
Oh, you were actually gonna do it?
I was looking at it. I'd rather just do a flat one, like we're going at the end. Yeah. Almost good. I'm still fucking awake from that. That's how I do.
Every time I talk to somebody about it, there was like, I don't know, like, boxes are like less scary. Everybody thinks that like jumps are scary.
If you know what you're doing,
to me it feels more safe.
Yeah.
Boxes, every time you're good. Yeah, that's the thing.
You just have to come from a box.
Yeah, I'm not comfortable on a box. Every time I get on there, I instinctively like try to power it.
I mean, I think it would be.
Yeah, I think so too.
You're not in there.
Yeah, you just have to like not. That's like my biggest fear. That's why. My biggest fear is like trying to do like a backside, almost like basically up the rail and like slipping out and like going face first. That's
the
like
helmet out first.
You think? No, I don't. Depends on how, but like.
If you have your goggles like that, you'll be fine.
True.
Your goggles will take it easy.
Well, it doesn't matter. I was thinking about it, like maybe like starting 3 boxes, but like just do like 50.
No straight on?
Yeah.
Oh, that's 50-50. Side view.
Board side.
That one's probably one of the better ones.
No. I like the one that's like shaped like a. It's like shaped kind of like a fountain. No. This down there before that. Yeah, so okay.
Try first, this is my fault.
No problem, just have to do it.
I just barely made this far.
This far, yeah.
Where's my toes no, we're digging in.
Oh yeah, but it's weird. Like sometimes it does, and sometimes it doesn't.
Yours are digging in too?
Yeah.
Your toes?
Oh, you're talking about like your actual toes? Oh yeah, no. I'm talking about like my edges are like sometimes I'm carving and it's just like the board just like sinks a little bit and it
slows you down?
It like slows me down and also just like if I don't get out of it, I don't know. It just like throws me off balance, you know? Because it's like it slows me down and my body like keeps going forward. You know? I haven't fallen yet. Actually, no, I did.
Oh yeah.
I didn't even get a chance to do anything. I literally just went on my heels and my board just sank in.
That was one of my favorite letters.
Yeah.
Got lucky.
Yeah.
George did that. I landed on the tail. My buddy had it. I'm not comfortable doing the speed though.
Yeah.
I can only do it really at that.
Because like
I lose control of my switch.
Yeah.
Probably need to. And I can only hit one of those cables.
Yeah, the second one is just like impossible to hit.
I have no speed.
Yeah, it's just impossible to hit.
You did. Well, you at least the last time I wouldn't even made it up.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
I went
really?
around.
Yeah, I just don't have enough speed to do anything on it.
Yeah.
So go 180.
Oh yeah. Cool.
I'll go switch.
What do you do? Only do you only your toes or your I was only my toes. I usually get stuck on my toes. Oh really?
Yeah, that happens to me sometimes. Here's my yeah, it's like
Yeah, it's cool.
it's like you feel like come back. I'm all like every time I rotate, I just get like disoriented. Like, I don't know which way.
You just gotta commit. You have to like do what you think you want to do. You get to see everyone. You're facing my face. Yeah. I keep forgetting it's nice to you.